Hey DIY decorators and all you upcyclers out there, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark we are making some beautiful hanging glass lanterns from some old glass water bottles. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some hanging glass lanterns. Glaze coat resin is perfect for a project like this. Just make sure to cover your project and let it cure for at least 12 hours. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to press that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.